In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can pin a post here on Facebook. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But say you want to keep an important post up at the very top of your Facebook profile. Here's what you're going to want to do. Begin by obviously opening up Facebook. And once you do have Facebook open, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find this little menu icon down at the very bottom and select it. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and tap your profile name up at the very top to get on your page. And once you are on your page, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is scroll down until you find the post that you want to pin. For example, let's just go ahead and say I want to pin this post right here. You're going to see these like three little dots up in the top right corner of that post. Go ahead and select it, and then you're going to see that pin post option right here. Go ahead and choose that, and that is literally it. That post is going to be pinned to the top of your profile, and it will stay there until you remove it. If you ever want to remove it, just tap the three dots again, and then choose unpinned post on that pinned post, and then it's going to go back to its original spot. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.